Good morning, children. Sai Ram. Today we are going to do the revision of EVS 1 lesson number 1, the life cycle of animals. In today's video, we are going to see the revision of the full chapter. Okay, so are you ready? Now, let me revise with you a little bit about what we had studied in this chapter. We had studied about the growth of animals. There are three stages of growth of animals. The first one was the egg laying animals. The second one was taking birth from mother's tummy. And the third one was showing metamorphosis. So, we are going to learn about each stage and we are going to see the examples of these of a few animals which are related to each stage. Okay, so let us start. The first one is the egg laying animals. A hen is an example of egg laying animals. Okay, so what are the steps the hen goes through when she lays egg? First, the hen lays egg. Can you see the picture of the of a hen and the eggs? Okay, now after laying the egg, what does the hen do? The hen sits on the egg to make them warm. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the eggs. As warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg, the chick starts developing inside the egg. And after few days, a chick comes out from the egg. This is how a hen lays egg. Now children, while a hen is laying egg, she becomes very aggressive. Now what do you mean by aggressive? She fears for the safety of her eggs. She fears that someone might take her eggs away. Someone might harm her eggs or damage her eggs. So she fears for the safety of her eggs and she becomes aggressive. What does she become? She becomes aggressive. Okay, aggressive means a little bit type of angry. She don't want anybody to touch her eggs, and if anybody does so, she can even harm that person. So that is the meaning of aggressive. Okay, so a hen becomes aggressive while laying eggs because she fears for the safety of her eggs. Is that clear? So did you understand what are the steps, or how does a hen lays egg, and what does the hen become while laying egg? The hen becomes aggressive while laying eggs. Okay, so these are the important points which I am discussing with you relating to the hen laying eggs, because questions related to this can be asked for your exams. For example, a hen becomes dash while laying eggs. So what you are going to write? You are going to write aggressive. Okay, a hen becomes aggressive while laying eggs. Dash lays egg, and in bracket if you get hen, comma, lion, what are you going to write? Hen. So a hen lays egg. Dash is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. What you are going to write answer? It is warmth. Warmth is necessary for the chicks to grow inside the egg. Okay, so I'm discussing with you each growth stage, and I'm discussing with you the questions which can be asked for you in the exams. Okay, so listen to me very carefully. So are you clear with the first growth stage, that is egg laying animals? And what did we see in egg laying animals? We saw about a hen laying eggs. It is not only one animal, that is hen, which lays egg. There are many animals apart from hen which lay eggs. Okay, there are snakes, there are ants, there are birds. So these are also examples of animals which lay eggs. Okay, but in detail we studied about a hen which lays egg. Okay, and some animals are small, like example ants. Their eggs are also very tiny. You cannot see them with your eyes. Okay, and we have not seen the eggs of ant anytime. Okay, so we have not seen the eggs of many animals, but a hen's egg we usually see. Yes or no? We have usually seen, and we often see the egg of a hen. but there are many animals which lay egg and we have not seen the eggs of those animals. Okay, for example, as I told you, ants, they are very very tiny, we cannot see their eggs. Okay, is that clear? So can I move forward? Let us start. Metamorphosis in a butterfly. The second stage is metamorphosis in a butterfly. Now here a picture of a butterfly and a caterpillar is given. The caterpillar is the baby of the butterfly. Now can you make out any similarities between the caterpillar and the butterfly? Not at all. The caterpillar looks very different from the butterfly. But yes children, the caterpillar is the baby of the butterfly, and this is what is called metamorphosis. When the young one or the kid looks very different from its parent or its mother, this process is known as metamorphosis, and insects go through the process of metamorphosis. Am I clear now? Now let us see what are the stages involved in the life cycle of a butterfly when it goes through the process of metamorphosis. Now there are how many stages in the life cycle of a butterfly? There are 4 stages. Again a question will be asked here. There are dash stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. What are you going to write? 4. There are 4 stages in the life cycle of a butterfly. They can ask you twist also. There are 4 stages in the life cycle of a dash. So what are you going to write? Butterfly. Is that clear? Now what are those 4 stages? Now can you see this diagram here? This is a very important diagram. And what is this diagram called as? It is called as the life cycle of a butterfly, wherein you can see that there are 4 stages. Okay, the first one is the eggs. Can you see that? Eggs. Second one is larva. Third one is chrysalis, and the fourth one is adult. Now you have to know about each stage in detail. Okay, so the first stage is eggs. So we are going to study first that. Now this is the picture of a plain tiger butterfly. Why is this butterfly called as plain tiger butterfly? Because it has color of a tiger. Can you see a tiger is yellow in color and it has black color stripes on it. Same way a butterfly is yellow and it has black color stripes, means it has black color stripes on it. So it is called as a plain tiger butterfly. And we are going to study about the plain tiger's butterfly life cycle. So are you ready? Now the plain tiger butterfly lays egg on the milkweed or rui leaves. Children, as I told you, the plain tiger butterfly will lay egg on which tree? On milkweed or rui. Milkweed is the English name and rui is the Hindi name. So again a question can be asked here. The plain tiger butterfly lays egg on the dash or dash leaves. So what you are going to answer? Milkweed or rui. Or it can be twisted and asked. The dash lays egg on the milkweed or rui leaves. So you are going to write plain tiger butterfly. Is that clear? Now first what it will do? It will lay eggs. On which leaves? On milkweed or rui leaves. And after a while a caterpillar comes out of the egg. That is the second stage. The caterpillar, or it is also known as larva. Caterpillar and larva are the same. So a caterpillar or larva comes out of the egg. Okay, see, this is the next stage. What it is called as? Caterpillar or larva stage. Now what happens in this stage? The caterpillar is very very hungry and it starts eating the leaves of the plant. Okay, it starts eating very very fast and it grows very very fast. Okay, because it is very very hungry. As soon as it comes out from the egg, what does it do? It starts eating the leaves of the plant. Which stage that is? The caterpillar or the larva stage. So again a question can be asked here. The dash stage of butterfly eats very rapidly. So what are you going to write? Caterpillar stage. Okay. And caterpillar stage is also known as dash. So what are you going to write? Larva. Okay, because both are the same. Now as it eats rapidly, as I told you, it grows very fast. It forms an extra skin around its body and it becomes a pupa. It becomes a pupa. Pupa is the next stage, that is the third stage. And pupa stage is also known as chrysalis. What it is known as? Chrysalis. Pupa stage or chrysalis. Okay. See, a caterpillar looks like it. Okay, when the caterpillar comes out from the egg, see, it is eating the leaves of the plant. So it starts eating the leaves of the plant very fast, and it grows an extra skin around its body. This is the third stage, the pupa or chrysalis stage. A pupa looks like this. Now inside this pupa there is a caterpillar, and the growth of the caterpillar takes place in the pupa stage. What happens in the pupa stage? The caterpillar starts developing. It starts getting attractive wings. It starts getting long legs. A butterfly has 6 legs. How many legs? 6 legs. So again a question can be asked. A butterfly has dash long legs. So what are you going to write? 6 long legs. Okay, and it starts getting attractive wings. So all the development of the butterfly takes place in this pupa. This is known as a pupa, or this is also known as chrysalis. Can you see it is hanging on the branch of a tree? A pupa hangs itself on the branch of the tree, and this process takes up to 10 to 12 days. How many days? 10 to 12 days are required for the caterpillar to fully develop inside the pupa. And when it develops inside the pupa, when the development is finished inside the pupa, a beautiful butterfly comes out of the pupa. Is that clear? And that is the last stage, the fourth stage, which is known as the adult stage. Okay, the fourth stage is known as the adult stage. See, a beautiful plain tiger butterfly has come out of the pupa and it is ready to fly. Okay, so these are the 4 stages, 4 important stages of the life cycle of the butterfly. Which butterfly we have studied? Plain tiger butterfly. Which was the first step? First stage, egg. The butterfly, the plain tiger butterfly, lays egg on which plant? Milkweed or rui. Okay, it lays eggs on the milkweed or rui leaves. Okay, then what happens? After that, after a few days, a caterpillar comes out of the egg. The caterpillar or the larva is the second stage of the life cycle of the butterfly. Then after the caterpillar or the larva, the third stage is the pupa or the chrysalis stage, wherein the caterpillar starts developing inside the pupa. And what happens after it develops? The fourth stage, that is the adult stage. From the pupa, a beautiful butterfly comes out and it is ready to fly. That is known as the adult stage, or it is the fourth stage. Okay, what is the name of the fourth stage? The adult stage. You will not write butterfly, then you will get it wrong. You have to write adult stage. The fourth stage is known as adult stage. So are you clear, children, about the life cycle of the plain tiger butterfly? So we have completed 2 stages of the growth of animals. And what was the third one? The third one was taking birth from mother's tummy. There are some animals which take birth from their mother's tummy. mother's tummy. Tummy means stomach. So example like cow, goat, dog, cats, and even we, that are humans. Humans too are born from their mother's tummy. Okay, so I have given a few examples of all the stages related to the growth of animals, and there are many more. You can find it out on your own and you can make a note of it, but I hope you have noted all the important points which I have discussed in today's video. And have you understood the first chapter, of EVS 1, that is the life cycle of animals? What all things are there in the chapter, what all important points are there in the chapter, and what you have to learn for the exam, how you have to prepare for the exam. I hope you have understood it by watching today's video. So I took the revision of the full chapter in one video so that you understand it easily and in a better way. So did you understand me? Okay, so and I hope you have noted the important points. I say goodbye, take care, Sai Ram.